Good evening, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel, Success with Velvet. I'm your host, Velvet Davis. I've been an online marketer since 2014, and I started this channel in 2017, and it has evolved over the years. I've changed the name so many times, but I've come up with the name Success with Velvet because you're going to earn success with me, Velvet. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Like this video, share it, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Okay, so today's video is going to be about another $5 withdrawal from Swagbucks. Today I came on here and I started just doing some surveys, and I did a particular survey that earned me 250 points. So I was able to earn 200 points on the site today just from doing a particular survey, and I was at 300 points and it bumped me up to 5, and I just did a couple more and I got to 600, and I did the same particular survey and it got me 44 extra points. So it earned me 50 points, so I was able to earn 644 points altogether, which is equivalent to $6.44, which means I can withdraw, and when I do withdraw I'll have a total of 144 Swagbucks left, which is equivalent to $1.44. So I want to talk about Swagbucks today, and I will let you guys know where you can go to sign up with Swagbucks if you're interested. And you guys know you can make up to $200 with Swagbucks. I'm going to show you that as well. You can do a daily poll. You can answer. It's 1 point. You can earn 1 point a day, 1 Swagbuck a day just for doing a daily poll. If you earn your daily goal, you can earn 40 Swagbucks and get 3 Swagbucks. You can refer your friends. But what I do on here is I do the surveys. So I'm going to take you over here really quick. Also, there are surveys on the App Store, the Google Play Store, and then the App Store. If you have an iPhone, it's called the App Store. If you have an Android, it's the Google Play Store. You can download the apps that go with Swagbucks, like Swagbucks Watch, Swagbucks Answer. And you have to enter the same password you would enter if you're on the website. So it'll be the same email address and the same password if you install the apps. If you install any of the Swagbuck apps, it has to be the same exact email you use and password so you can get your points. Okay? So today, like I said, I did a couple of surveys and I got points, and I was able to earn 644 Swagbucks, which is equivalent to $6.44 Swagbucks. Okay? So you guys can come on here and do the surveys, and depending on the survey, you normally would get 1 to 5 Swagbucks. If you disqualify, if you complete the survey, you will get the actual Swagbuck amount. Okay? So if you complete it, not if you get disqualified. You get disqualification points from between 1 to 5 Swagbucks. If you qualify for the survey, you will get the survey amount, the Swagbucks. So right here it says 100 Swagbucks. If you complete that survey, you will get 100 Swagbucks. You can also upload receipts and get 2 Swagbucks. I would recommend this but you would have to do this on your mobile phone. So you literally have to download this app on your mobile phone and take a picture of the receipt and upload the receipt, and you get 2 Swagbucks for every receipt you do. So I do the surveys and I do the coupons. And remember, you guys, when you withdraw from Swagbucks, you have to verify your email account. Verify your withdrawal so you guys can get your payment, because if you don't verify it, it's going to take a couple of days before you get paid. I made that mistake. I didn't verify it the same day, and I had to wait 2-3 days for my payment. So make sure when you withdraw from Swagbucks, you verify your payment. The same day, they're going to send you an email asking you to verify it, and you need to verify it the same day. So I do the surveys and I also do the coupons. I'm actually going to do a coupon with you guys so you can see exactly how to do it, because I know some of you are new to Swagbucks and you don't know what to do just yet. My advice is do all the surveys. There's at least 24 of the surveys you can do. Sometimes they have a limited time bonus of surveys, and I really would do that because there are surveys on that you can qualify for. So let me scroll down here. Featured ways to earn. You're going to go to featured ways to earn, and you're going to click this arrow to the left, to the right, and you're going to click until it shows coupons. And you will clip 25 coupons, and then in 2 days, which is 48 hours, you will get 25 Swagbucks, I'm sorry. So here it says coupons. You click on that. This is 25 cents a day. You guys can be 25 Swagbucks a day. You could be earning. I'm sorry, I'm used to saying 25 cents because that's what it is. But it's Swagbucks. So you would earn 25 Swagbucks a day. So not a day, but every 2 days you will be able to earn 25 Swagbucks if you do the coupons every day. But you will be getting credited every 2 days. It will credit your account with 25 Swagbucks within 48 hours. It's 2 days. So let me show you what you do. Come on here and click on it. Click that one. Now there's going to be some that open in a different window. All you would do is exit out of it. So you just come down here to where hold on 1 second. Okay, you exit out of this. And the one that says it opens in a new window, just go to the next one. And where it says print coupons, you see how it says 2? You have to do up to 20. Once it says 25, you're done. So just clip all the coupons until this says 25 coupons. It'll show you how many you've printed. So just print until it says 25. I mean, clip the coupons until it says you've clipped 25 coupons. And where it says show more, you just click on show more and more coupons will pop up. Just keep clicking it. And you want to scroll down. Okay, you want to hit the down arrow right here and just keep on clipping. Clip, clip, clip. And now we're going to go back up to see how many we've clipped. So 22. We need 3 more clip. We need to clip 3 more. So just 3 more coupons. So 1, 2, 3. Sometimes it'll say Google Chrome isn't responding, but it's just because, it's loading, and sometimes it'll do that. So don't panic. So it says we've clipped. You can go ahead and print 25 coupons. Make sure you're paying attention because I don't want you guys coming back to me and asking me how to do this. So I'll verify my number and I will come back. You need to make sure you verify your phone number, so make sure the phone number you enter is your actual cell phone number. They're going to send a code to your phone. So I will come back after I verify my number and tell you what to do. Okay, so here we are. And once you've verified your phone number, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. It's going to say your coupons are printing. You're just going to come here. And you're going to see where it says destination right here. You're going to click on the down arrow. And you're going to click Save as PDF. It needs to be saved as a PDF. You're still going to get credited for this, you guys. You do not actually have to print the coupons. I learned this from watching a Prize Rebel video. I used to do the surveys on Prize Rebel. So, I mean the coupons on Prize Rebel. And this is how I learned how to do it. There are videos on YouTube about this. I am going to watch the videos to see if they do it the exact same way. So there you are. And you're done. Go back to coupons. And there you go. This can only be completed once a day. Once a day, you guys. Every 2 days you will get credited 25 Swagbucks. Once you do this every day, and you will be credited every 2 days 25 Swagbucks. So, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, share, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And I will be giving you guys the link you can click on to sign up with Swagbucks. Take care.